How to use British Airways companion voucher. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can use some vouchers here in britishairways.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. By now you just have to continue with the process to get a flight, to book a flight in order to get that bar or space where you can type your voucher or promotional code. By now, I'm going to scroll down and let's suppose I want flights from 19 euros. Let's see what I can find here. Okay, I found one. I'm going to click on continue. I'm going to select my class. This is going to be economy. Just hand baggage. And now here I must review my flight. This is the part where you can apply to an e-voucher. So you can use a promotional code or e-voucher. I'm going to click on add. And there you have those two different options. For the e-voucher, you must enter your email address, last name, and the e-voucher code. And the promotional code, just type your promotional code. Once you have done that, the price you're going to find at the end of your reservation, your booking, it's gonna change, okay? Also, you can save with Avios, so you can reduce your flight price up to 85 euros, but you must log in into your account here in britishairways.com. And that's how you can do it. Once you have done that, I really assure you, your price is gonna change. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can use vouchers on britishairways.com. Thanks for watching.